Hello world, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how to start an online business from your home. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build passive income online. So these days there are different online business models which people are using to make money online and to build passive income for themselves right from the comfort of their home. Beauty about online businesses is that you don't need to go to an office space or to join a company and travel every day to work to do your online business. Online businesses can be done from anywhere, right from the comfort of your home. Even if you're traveling somewhere, you can do it from your hotel, from airport, or wherever. So you don't have to go to office every day. I'll go to office every day to do an online business. And there are some good online business models and some are not so good. So I'll be telling you about the business model which I follow, which I use to generate passive income, and that is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most profitable online business which you can run right from the comfort of your home. In affiliate marketing, what happens is your job as an affiliate is to promote other people products. Basically, let's say there is a vendor who has created certain product for some that is directed towards a particular audience. Let's say a person has created an online course for how to start photography. So your job as an affiliate is to make sure that the course reaches the right audience, the right people who are looking to learn photography. And once people buy that course, you are going to earn a commission. So there are different steps which you have to follow in order to run an affiliate marketing business. It may sound difficult, but it is not at all difficult if you follow the right advice, if you follow the right strategy, right steps. You can easily set up your own online business within few days. Yes, it doesn't take long to set up an online business, that too affiliate marketing business. So the very first thing in affiliate marketing is to find your niche. What is the niche which you are going to target? There are three broad niches, which is health, wealth, and relationships. So most of the people, they go into these niches, but I never recommend to go in the broad niche. Let's say you don't want to go into a niche called how to lose weight. How to lose weight these days has got a lot of competition. A lot of people are promoting products in how to lose weight niche. So rather than going into how to lose weight niche, you need to target the sub niche of how to lose weight. You need to target something like how to lose weight without dieting, how to lose weight without going to gym, how to lose weight with keto diet. So these are the different sub niches of a broad niche. So you need to target those niches. And the next thing is how to find the right offers to promote, the right affiliate offers. There are a number of different affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank. Amazon has got their own associate program where if you promote the product from Amazon, you're going to earn a commission. So all you have to do is just do a Google search on the affiliate marketing marketplaces, and you will get a lot of marketplaces which you can join and you can start promoting products. So now what you have learned, you need to find a sub niche of a broader niche which has got low competition in it. You need to find the right affiliate products which you need to promote. Then the next thing comes is how to market those products. That is the most challenging part, and that is the part where most people fail. There are free ways to promote a product and there are paid ways to promote a product. When you're getting started, I always recommend to go with the free methods, and that free methods could be social media promotion, promotion on Facebook, promotion on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. You can also promote the affiliate products on YouTube, And all these platforms are absolutely free. You don't have to spend a single penny out of your pocket to promote on these platforms. Paid methods which are there are Google AdWords, Facebook ads, solo ads. So that I always recommend, that I always suggest, once you have got some sales under your belt through free methods, then in order to scale it up, go with the paid methods. And that is the right strategy. And in order to do affiliate marketing effectively, there are a number of different tools like landing page builder, email autoresponder. These are the tools which you need in order to run a successful business. As I told you, there is a landing page builder, and there are a number of landing page builders which you can use, right from WordPress to ClickFunnels. There are email autoresponder, there is Aweber, there is GetResponse, there is SendLane. There are a number of email autoresponders. Then you also need a tracking tool to track from where your sales are coming, from where clicks are coming, which country people are clicking your links more than as compared to the other people. So these are the tools which you need to get started. So in this video, I just wanted to give you this broad idea about how you can start an online business right from your home. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a free course in the description down below. You can just go through the free course and learn about affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions on affiliate marketing or online business in general, just reach out to me. Just ask your question in the comments down below, or just reach out to me on any of my social media. The links are all in the description below, and I will personally help you out. And I'm not going to ask you or charge you any money for that in order to help you get started. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.